Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out the brand new Realme 15T, a phone that's making waves with its powerful performance and surprisingly affordable price. If you're thinking about upgrading, you'll want to stick around for this one. First up, the design. The Realme 15T comes with a sleek, modern build and a 6.7-inch AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate. That means you're getting smooth scrolling, vivid colors, and a premium feel, something you don't usually see at this price point. Under the hood, it's powered by the latest MediaTek Dimensity 8300 Ultra chipset, paired with up to 12 gigabytes of RAM. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or multitasking, this phone is built to handle it all without breaking a sweat. Now let's talk cameras. The Realme 15T features a 108-megapixel main sensor, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 2-megapixel macro lens, giving you versatility for all your shots. Plus, the 32-megapixel selfie camera is perfect for vlogging, video calls, or just stepping up your Instagram game. And if you're worried about battery life, don't be. The Realme 15T packs a 5500 milliamp hour battery with 100-watt fast charging, so you can go from 0 to 100 in less than 30 minutes. That's insane for a mid-range device. So, overall, the Realme 15T is shaping up to be one of the best budget-friendly performance phones of 2025. Great display, powerful processor, strong cameras, and blazing fast charging, all at a price that won't break the bank. What do you guys think? Would you pick the Realme 15T over competitors like Samsung's A series or Google's Pixel 8a? Drop your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more daily tech updates.